today's recipe is berry banana split. This is a super simple, quick recipe. It can be great for breakfast, lunch, or when you're on the go. And there's only a handful of ingredients in it. So our first ingredient is low-fat vanilla yogurt. Yogurt is a great source of calcium, which helps keep your bones healthy and strong. It also has protein and other vitamins in it as well. Our next ingredient is bananas. Bananas are a great source of potassium, which helps keep your muscles functioning properly. So if you're outside playing or doing activities, your muscles are using potassium to help them function properly. Our next ingredient is a tablespoon of low-fat granola. I chose to use banana nut granola because I like bananas, but you can use any kind of granola that you like. Our last ingredient is strawberries, which is actually our featured food of the month. Strawberries are a great source of vitamin C, which we've talked about before, how that's great for your immune system. It can help protect you from sicknesses. Strawberries also are a great source of fiber, which is good for your digestive system. So first we're going to add the bananas into the yogurt. Next we're going to add the strawberries. And then you can top it off with the granola. This is our finished product. You can always add other berries if you'd like, or other fruits like blueberries, raspberries, or even apples would be good.